What's up, YouTube artists and YouTube people? My name is Ngchong and welcome to my video again. So this is gonna be videos can be about how-to videos, and this one I wanted to try something completely new and create a new playlist. And this video, type of videos is about how to draw all type of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna give you at least 3 options, right? And I'm gonna work on 3 mediums: pencil, pen, ink, and markers. Okay, these are the 3 mediums I'm gonna work with. Now, 3 subjects I choose will be superheroes, monsters, and see what else. And you could tell me the third one is gonna be like anything you want me to draw. So most likely, remember, keep in mind that pick any of these 3 mediums. Just pick one medium of your choice: pencil, pen, ink, and markers. And like I said before, it was like the 3 subject to decide: the superheroes, monsters, and the third one, whoever you want me to draw. It's how-to videos, so I'm gonna do something like that. Most likely, I think how-to videos most likely I'm gonna put some music on, because really, most likely or not, I might talk about it and something like that. So I might go either way. So I think let's see what else. Okay, now let's get into this. You're probably thinking superheroes. Oh man, draw Spider-Man and Batman and Superman. Well, I mean, for me, to tell you the truth, I really kind of pick these kind of things because you have to ask permission and stuff like that. So I figure I won't even go there with that direction. I've seen people do it, but I think to me it's well, I mean, whatever. But I will create my own superheroes. I mean, this is not for any collection, just for fun. You know what I'm saying? I want to try. Because right now I'm working on some kind of art collection right now, sports art collection, which I'm working on right now, and it's going to be, sold. That's going to be I'll be actually selling those. So I guess that's all I really want to know. Just superheroes, monsters, and the third one, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Might talk as a tutorial or put some music on. The music I'll be using most likely, let's say some YouTube audio library. Even though I try working with some other companies that have kind of music and you have to pay for it, and most likely I might not go for it. I don't know. I really don't know. But to end this video right now, let me know in the comments down below what you want me to do. Remember, 3 subjects and 3 mediums. Pick 1 medium and 1 subject, either of your choice. And okay, and that's it. So even though you might have a lot of comments and a lot of people might say certain things, yes, I'll write them down in the list. And every video, I guess I will mention your name. I guess another shout out to you. I guess the best way to be able to say, well, thank you to such and such person for telling me this. So even though I'll make a list of these and keep it in the future, then anytime I create a new video, I do this one. Okay. So I think that wraps up this video. I know it's gonna be kind of short. I want to try something new. Just sometimes I want to just try something else. I get bored of the same thing every day, creating collections, this and that. I just want to do it for fun, just to see what I could do with that. Okay, let's wrap it up. Share, comment, thumbs up in the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Ngchong. Thanks for watching.